Hello everyone. In this module, we will discuss about bacterial cell structure. I, Ms. Smriti Pathak, will discuss about bacterial cell structure, its components and functions performed by these organelles. This module outlines the cellular structure, components and functions. Through this module, the students will be able to understand and explain the bacterial cell structure, its components and the functions. It will also be able to differentiate between gram-positive and gram-negative bacterial cell wall. Bacteria are simple prokaryotic microorganisms that lack nuclei and other cellular organelles. Several bacterial species are pathogenic, but most are non-pathogenic and have a very critical role in the environment. Bacteria were first seen under microscope by Anton Leeuwenhoek in the year 1676. With improvements in the microscopes, scientists have come to a better understanding of bacteria. Bacteria have different shapes. The major shapes are cocci, which are rounded or spherical shaped, bacilli, which are rod shaped, vibrio, which are bent rod shaped, and spirochete, which are coiled cellular structures. Bacterial structure can be divided into three components. The external structure, which includes the flagella and the pili, the cell envelope, which is composed of outer capsule, the cell wall and the cell plasma membrane. The internal structures include ribosome, mesosome, cytoplasm, nucleoids, etc. To describe the bacterial structure, we see bacteria having long flagella which are rigid, thin, web-like appendages attached to bacterial cells. They are made up of linear protein called flagellins. These flagella mostly help bacteria in the movement. Bacteria also possesses hair-like appendages coming out of their surfaces. They possess the ability to cause diseases by binding to the cell surface. They also help to adhere to the mucosal cell surfaces and also involved in conjugation, that is, transfer of genetic material by forming a bridge-like structure. Looking into the different cell layers, the outermost layer is the capsule. It is a discrete, detectable layer of polysaccharides that is deposited outside the cell wall. This capsule is a rigid structure and protects the bacteria from desiccation and toxic metabolites metabolites in the environment. They also help in resisting to invasiveness. The cell wall. The bacteria's innermost layer is the plasma membrane, which is semi-permeable and allowing transportation of substances. In between the cell membrane and the capsule, we have the cell wall. It is the outer covering for most of the cells that protect the bacteria. It is mainly composed of peptidoglycan. There is a class of bacteria which lacks the cell wall. They are known as mycoplasma. The cell wall maintains integrity and shape of the bacterial cell. Resisting the internal turgor pressure is also a chief function of the cell wall. Cell wall also enables bacteria to be classified into two major groups, that is, gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. This ability depends upon the composition of peptidoglycan present in the layers. Gram-negative bacteria have a thin layer of peptidoglycan. They also have extra periplasmic space and lipoproteins outside the cell membrane, whereas gram-positive bacteria have a thick layer of peptidoglycan. In the gram staining, the gram-positive bacteria attach to the primary stain, that is crystal violet, and attain a purple color. Whereas in the gram staining, the gram-negative bacteria absorbs the counter stain and are pinkish in color. Looking at the internal structure, we detect a gel-like matrix mainly composed of water, enzyme, nutrients, waste and gases. It is a portion that lies within the plasma membrane and is known as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm plays a major role in growth, metabolism and replication. Nucleoid. It is a region where chromosomal DNA are located, as there is no membrane bounding this nucleus. Its function is to control the activities of the cell, reproduction, etc. Furthermore, bacteria also possesses small circular extrachromosomal DNA. These extrachromosomal DNA are naturally present and are double-stranded structures. They render the function of antibiotic resistance or virulence to the cell. Bacterial ribosomes are a complex structure of proteins and RNA. They are composed of two subunits with sedimentation rates of 50S and 30S. The chief function of ribosomes is protein synthesis, whereby they receive and they translate the genetic instruction for formation of specific proteins. Mesosomes, they arise as an invagination of plasma membrane, observed in bacteria that have been commercially or chemically fixed to prepare them for electron microscopy. The function is as they are sites for many chemical reactions in the bacterial cells. Example, respiration. References: Pandey, BP, in the year 2017, Botany for Degree Students, Biodiversity, Chand Publications. Another reference is SlideShare by Umesh Maskare, Bacterial Cell Structure. Thank you.